Hey curly teas! Today let's make a powerful conditioner with 3 root herbs as the backbone: 40 root, ginger root, and burdock root for hair that's moisturized, soft, and stronger. First, you have to make the tea. Combine 40 root, ginger root, and burdock root, your chosen amounts, in a heat-safe container. Add a desired amount of distilled water. Heat it directly. You can skip the double boiler method for these herbs. These are dried root herbs. So I made the tea the night before and stored it in the refrigerator.
Natural hair beauty is possible if you take care of your hair and make the most of what nature has given you.
Gluconolactone SB is a broad-spectrum preservative, but you can use whichever preservative or preservation system that works best for you. If you're making a larger batch than the one in this video, you may want to add another preservative or use a different preservative to extend the shelf life of the gel. Depending on the preservative you choose, these early steps may be a little different. Because I'm using gluconolactone SB, I'm going to heat this water phase to just under 40 degrees Celsius and allow it to fully dissolve. MSM powder is thought to help improve the strength of the hair over time. MSM stands for methyl sulfonyl methane. They say it helps build protein found in the hair, skin, and the nails, so use it if you have it. Some suggest a minimum of 10% when using MSM topically. If you don't have this, you may skip it or replace it with another hair-loving additive or combination of additives. Try biotin instead. Propanediol, aka nature's silk, is a high-quality humectant meant to replace propylene and butylene glycols. Propanediol seems to have gotten more popular over the years, especially in skincare. It's used to cut down on the stickiness of glycerin. It also helps add a glossy look to the actual product. BTMS 50 is a conditioning self-emulsifier used here as the main ingredient to keep everything mixed well. BTMS, of course, is the OG. It's the GOAT. It's the go-to softening emulsifier for making leave-in conditioners. It's my favorite because it just works. It's not finicky. I don't have to babysit it. None of that. Okay, hear your girl out for a minute. The CURLYTEA YouTube channel is not monetized. In this economy, it's becoming more and more important to learn how to make at least some of your own products. Like, y'all have no idea how many people are asking for info about how to replace more expensive products in their lineup, like they're looking for dupes. I make a lot of my own stuff at home, so becoming a member at CURLYTEA.com gets you access to what I already know. All of the niche, handmade, DIY recipes and formulas, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. At the very least, you can improve your perspective on why creating your own hair care and skincare is important. You can also get introductions to ingredients you may have never even considered using before. You can skip all of the stuff that you don't need, all of the stuff that I experimented on. You can skip all of that and go right to what's at the heart of whatever product that you want to make. That's why I'm doing all of this. Like, I love y'all no matter what. So if you can't become a member right now, please subscribe, like the video, retweet what I'm posting on Twitter, or post links so your friends and followers can see. Thank you for your time. It is much appreciated. And please keep watching the video. We ain't finished yet. The final product is a softening, frizz-fighting herbal leave-in conditioner to help get more manageable hair. This conditioner is made again from Frody root, ginger root, and burdock root, all wonderful herbs for hair care. Frody root alone is thought to help delay premature graying. Ginger root allegedly helps stimulate the scalp circulation while reducing inflammation, while burdock root is said to strengthen the hair follicles. You can layer this product with probably the marshmallow root curling gel to create some type of definition. Shout out to the patrons and the subscribers at the website for hanging in there with us. They are the backbone of this platform. And if you want to join these beautiful souls, you know where to go. Please help us so that we can continue this journey. If you are watching this at YouTube, check out the next formula, or you can just continue to watch, take a break, and relax for a while.